I rise to respond to the question by the Honorable Major General Sitiveni Rabuka on theft in Taveuni of Yaqona. There had been some theft and probably very difficult to explain, but we know from that song that Taveuni na Mula. Nobody should be stealing anything that you can plant. But I'd like to highlight some statistics, the Honorable Speaker, sir. The Yaqona theft from 2019 to October 2024 as follows. 2019, 71 cases. 2020, 115 cases. 2021, 111 cases. 2022, 98 cases. 2023, 57 cases. And January to October this year, it's been 82 cases. The Speaker, sir, the police have been trying very hard to control the theft, including the Vanua approach. But recently, I believe there has been a cooperation between the police and the Methodist Church. I know the Methodist Church, maybe the other churches too. They found out that praying about theft was not working. So in the Karikavaki by the Turara on Sundays, now look to Namagamengo, look to Musmashan Singaka, Singa Tambu Matang Tambu Ka,
Sunday morning.
Kiritangan Matagal Kam, and the Andrabatunangan. But these are perhaps some of the things we have to do where there is no excuse to be stealing anybody else's Yaqona. There was a decreasing trend noted from 2020 to 2023, but in 2024 alone, an increased number of cases have been recorded from the beginning up to October of this year. It was noting, Mr. Speaker, sir, that the Fiji Police Force has been implementing a number of measures to combat the theft of Yaqona in the island, which includes the following. Dynamic community engagement and public outreach that includes the empowerment programs and awareness activities targeting youth. That includes the program in the Methodist Church. Enhanced community policing initiatives, such as visits to known offenders in the island and profiling them accordingly. The Fiji Police has also established joint awareness and empowerment programs with crime prevention committees in all settlements in Taveuni. The police is also working with the Turan Koros in identifying whistleblowers on the ground, increased police visibility through mobile patrols throughout the island, reinforcement of offenders and visibility in red spot areas. The farm visitations, where police work closely with the agricultural officers in identifying huge farmers that are prone to theft and other illegal activities, and engagement of district officers, the district officer in the registration of all Yaqona farmers in Taveuni, and to assist in the monitoring of sales and purchase of Yaqona in the area in the event of a theft. The DO will assist the police in verifying farmers' IDs and ascertaining whether they are registered or not. Mr. Speaker, sir, the measures I have highlighted above are for dry Yaqona only. Moreover, there has been an increased cases of green Yaqona theft as well, but currently there is no regulation for the sale and purchase of green Yaqona in place. I get very worried when I see big Yaqona plants presented to me in the Sitiveni Rabuka, wondering whether it was uprooted the day before or the night before. The police force is proposing that all Yaqona business license holders must include those that are selling and buying green Yaqona as well in its criterion. Mr. Speaker, sir, as part of the police restructure that was approved in Cabinet in 2018, the force will establish a new community police post in Taveuni to assist in resolving that issue. And police will work closely in collaboration with key stakeholders, such as young farmers, state and non-state actors, to ensure that the yaqona theft in Taveuni is resolved once and for all. Let me assure this August House that the government will continue to support these farmers to ensure they fully reap economic gains from the sale of yaqona to support the needs of their families. And those that are involved in the illegal trade are getting very sophisticated, Mr. Speaker, sir, because they now use inter-island shipping, particularly outboard-powered boats. So if you're watching the Taveuni markets, you may not get, because they're going straight from the farm, they're robbing the farmers, straight into the illegal traders who bring them out. So it's very, very sophisticated illegal trade going on. So we just have to ask the police to be more vigilant, and also the Taveuni administrators.
Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister.